Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Epson printer to your laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so connecting an Epson printer to your laptop can be done either wirelessly or via a USB cable. So method 1, wireless connection, which is Wi-Fi. So step 1, prepare the printer. Plug in and power on your Epson printer. On the printer's control panel, go to Setup Wi-Fi Setup. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Menu names might vary slightly. Choose your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and enter the Wi-Fi password. Step 2, install drivers and software. So on your laptop, go to the Epson support website. Search for your printer model, for example, Epson EcoTank. Download and install the latest drivers and software for your operating system. Now we need to go ahead and add the printer to your laptop. So on your laptop, click on your Windows key and then type in settings. Click in the settings. On the left hand side, we've got Bluetooth and devices. Click on the Bluetooth and devices. On the right, click onto printers and scanners. And then where it says add a printer or scanner, go ahead and click on add device. And then go ahead and select your Epson printer when it appears and follow the prompts. Now, if you're on a Mac, we can open system settings, go to printers and scanners, click the plus button, select your Epson printer and click add. All right, now let's move on to the USB connection guide. So step 1, connect the cable. So use a USB cable to connect the printer to your laptop and then turn on the printer. Step 2, install the drivers. So Windows and Mac OS will usually detect the printer and install the necessary drivers automatically. If not, download the drivers from the Epson support website. Step 3, set as default. This is optional, so if in printers and scanners, you can set your Epson printer as the default printer. Now, I've got some tips here. So make sure both the printer and the laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. Also, restart both devices if the printer isn't detected. Epson also offers a mobile app called Epson Smart Panel for easier setup too.